What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. I'm literally filming this video and unboxing. I had to take off the address labels so y'all can y'all can say, you're not gonna say I'm clickbaiting. I'm literally unboxing right here. Sometimes I call it unboxing because I know what I physically did, and I don't know if y'all want to sit here and watch me unbox, but you see the title, you see the shoe that I'm talking about right here. We just got in the mail literally today. This shoe is already sold, so let's get right into it. My Supreme knife, calm little flex. I don't know if you can see it. All right, yeah, Supreme. Either way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 plus, as well as like this video, comment. I respond to all my comments. And ladies, hit that Instagram DM. I got a surprise. The next 10 girls that DMs me and says, hey, I'm from Instagram. I'm from YouTube. I got a surprise for y'all. Guys, sorry, the surprise is only for the ladies. So, fellas, hit your boy up, and let's get right into this video. Thank you guys for watching. Share the video, share the channel. Let's get people to join the squad. I literally just came back from work. My headphones still on. My hair is all over the place, but let's get right into it. I got a whole bunch of videos to continuously film for you guys, so let's get it. Let's knock this out the ballpark. Alright, so off rip, y'all see me cut this open. I'm going to just do the rest of the unbox, like taking the tape off later. But let's just get the shoe out. Hold on, let me just take the tape off. Still to this day, Nike still putting that damn Just Do It tape. As if they don't have enough fucking slogans. My bad for cursing, but here it is. The Jordan. Is it Jordans? I think so. Oh, my bad. See, I'm so not like trying. I forget what I'm reviewing because I don't have the shoe out. That's why I don't really do unboxing. But the Nike SACAI Blazers right here. The crazy box. That's like, I didn't even get to look at it. Like I said, it's unboxed it. So let's see it. They got the SACAI logo. It's definitely so different than black and white. But that's how the front of it looks. SACAI. Got the Nike in the back. The front is Nike as well. Why this shoe feels so heavy? SACAI's be so heavy. So this is a 10.5 men's. Yep, 12 women's. I can see it right there. So yeah, let's get right into this shoe. Pretty high retail, I guess. 140, 150, but oh, we got that fresh feel of the fresh feel of the paper. I guess it does have the SACAI Blazer drawing. I don't know if you could really see it, but like it's on there. But let's get right into the shoe. I didn't hit the other pair because they dropped, I believe, a blue one, this red one, and then they got coming up the purple one. So I hit this burgundy reddish colorway. So they come with the extra white laces. If you do want to change laces, I don't know why you would because there's so much going on. But let's get the other shoe out. Let's see, let's compare and contrast. Let's just see. And by the way, oh shoot. By the way, I'm at the point now you go for every hot release because it's all opinionated. But after, cause this is a collab, so I'm pretty sure I was going after just in case. SACAI, you know, BLAZER with the KAWS, right? That's the KAWS collab. I forgot. That's why the front looks like this. I forgot. The Nike. That's what literally called Nike, BLAZER, Low, SACAI, KAWS. So there's a 3 collab on this. Yeah, just go for it, and you could sell it right away if you got an account that you could do that. People sometimes can't sell online or they are so local, but I made what? I don't even know how much I made off of these, but it's definitely already sold, so I already made my profit. And yeah, so let's get into the quick thumbnail so we could talk about the shoe. You could get the, yeah, I look good. Ladies, you better hit that DM, I swear. Let's go. Boom. I know I'll be looking funny in the thumbnails, but I just wanted to look at it myself. Like I said, it's my first time looking at it. You guys obviously saw I just took it out the box. I do want to see if there's any difference on the shoe. I don't really think there is. All right, yeah, so I don't have to hold both shoes. I don't know why SACAIs are so freaking heavy. So, off rip, let's see how it looks. So you got that little soft leather right there. You do have the KAWS logos right there on the outside. The 2 X's right there. Obviously, you got this ugly orange type of material with the yellow inside. I feel like this is doing too much. Like, you already got the burgundy maroon type of color inside with the white. The Nike logos is not even burgundy or maroon. It's literally, what color is this? Like a pink blue. And yeah, you got the beige laces with the burgundy maroon laces. I don't know. To me, obviously, this is not a personal. This is gone. But to the person that bought it, shout out to you. And before you guys start hating, because you're a big KAWS fan, big BLAZER fan, big all that stuff, Nike, BLAZER, KAWS, SACAI fan, all that stuff, just remind you guys, this is a YouTube channel. I'm just reviewing this shoe. If I talk bad about it, don't take it serious. If you went to cop this for personal and you watching my video and you're like, oh, he's bashing the shoe I like, it's okay. You don't have to agree with me, just like I don't have to agree with you. You like the shoe, I don't have to like it. And I don't care if you like it. I don't like it. Just like if you like it, cool. I don't have to like it either. So I'm just gonna get that out there. And plus, I'm a reseller as well. So like, what do you want me to do? Buy shoes and not sell them? You watching these videos because people get them and sell them. Not all, but most. At least I do. But yeah. Let me know if you guys took a nice little W or a L when they dropped. Also, let me know which colorway would you prefer. I mean, if you're gonna disagree with me, you can at least say, okay, I don't like these. He's right. The maroon color is not my type of style, but I do like, you know, the blue ones or the purple ones that's coming out. Now, I hope I hit the purple ones because purple is my second favorite color, as you can see. Red I'm wearing all the time. You know, everything I got is red, but you see the room is purple. But yeah, I want the purple ones just so I can see it. Obviously, I won't keep it. It's gonna sell, and if this is by far, if I can make money off the ugliest colorway, at least to me this is like the worst colorway. I like the blue one. It's a little cool too. And then obviously I want to see the purple one. So let me know, did you take an L or W? Do you like these? Don't bash me. If you know, don't dislike the vid just because we have different opinions. But did you get these for personal, or did you get these to flip? Did you even go after them? Did you not care to go after them? Either way, let me know. Calm little shoe, nothing too crazy. You got the back, all these lines. I guess this would make the, you know, the heel, this shit so brolic. That's the bottom, nothing too crazy. You know, it's a Nike Blazer low. What else do you expect? So yeah, that's really it. There's not much to really show you inside. The laces obviously maroon and that little gray. You do have the Nike SACAI, SACAI. Oh, I'm butchering the name. But you got the little logo inside. Can't really tell. It's a little dark, but it's in like baby blue, like this blue right here. As you can see, the outer lining blue. But yeah, that's it for me, guys, on this shoe. Let me know what you think about them. Are you a huge fan of these, or you passed, just like I would if it wasn't no profit? But yeah, let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the flip side. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Ladies, like I said, remember, hit that Instagram, as well as everybody else that's watching. Subscribe to the channel. Go check out my main channel as well. And yeah, those links will be down below in the description. So yeah, that's it. See you guys on the flip side. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.